Are you big excited?
So excited.
That filter... Wait.
I've tried to clean it.
That filter used to be red.
Yeah, I've tried to clean it.
What is all that drippage on your heat shield?
Oil.
Well, yeah, I know that, but why?
I like that.
Not taking care of your car.
No.
That's why it clapped back at you last week.
No. It's just a mishap.
Alright, tell everyone what you're so excited to do today.
Changing the timing belt and water pump. Do I have any idea how to do it? No, not really.
I've done it before on my Miata, right there.
I
And your thermostat.
somewhat. Yeah, and that. That's what we're doing.
This is what happens when you forget wood ramps and you have a low car. You gotta break out all the scissor jacks on the sides. And he also doesn't have a low profile jack, but we had to get the front end up so we can fit the jack underneath. But yeah, Christian, I think we're good to go now. Like completely fit under it.
Should do it.
If only we had ramps here.
Fun thing about this, when you're jacking it, sometimes it'll slip out and it just shoots. I almost hit someone in the face with it once.
Well, I should put like a cotter pin or something, or a screw there.
It's not a bad idea. See the issue?
Wait, it doesn't fit?
No, I'm just saying that's how far
Oh
you
yeah,
have
yeah,
to put it in.
I gotcha. Oh yeah, I have the same subframe. You can at least grab it from the middle. You sure? Are you sure you want to replace that guy?
Not really. Looks good to me.
Yeah, maybe. Possibly. Potentially. Just yank her and stroke it. There you go. Give her an old Indian burn.
Do you know how to coach me?
You used to love giving kids Indian burns back in elementary school.
I did.
Yeah, you did. Alright, well, it was fun. I'm gonna take off and go back home now. Alright, bye. Yank her out. Yank her out. Yank her out. Yank her out. Woo! Yeah! Woohoo! You're dripping on your wrap.
Oh, no. We're done.
You're gonna want to label these. What? So update like 20 minutes later, I've got pretty much the whole, well, as far as I can go, front end apart on Christian's car. Valve cover, all the coolant stuff, top of the timing cover. Christian's underneath the car right now and taking care of the sway bar and his aftermarket frame rail brace. And then after that, after these are out of the way, then we can get to the crankshaft pulley with the impact gun, then remove that, then we can remove the lower timing belt, or lower timing belt cover, and then we can get to the belt and all the pulleys and stuff, and then we can get this car back on the road. Stop. Alright, there's about to be loud noises.
Okay, do we have to do this?
like spinning at that angle. Yeah, Christian, you got it. So the front of the engine is all the way, almost all the way disassembled. We just I'm starting over. I can't tell. You're piercing the rag though.
Yeah, no, they nicked it.
The front of the engine is almost ready. Just have to remove the woodruff key on the crankshaft pulley, and then we can remove the timing gear, and then we can access the front main seal, and then start reassembling and putting on these new parts over here and over there. And then all this stuff has to go back. Yeah, old belt is off. Water pump is out. It's just the majority of disassembly is done.
Disgusting. My mouth is burning.
What? What fell in your mouth?
What?
You're gonna die.
It's in my ear too. I need to get out of here.
It's in your hair too.
Alright. Yeah, I'll rinse my mouth out.
Alright, after wrestling with your little woodruff key for 15 minutes. Okay, never mind. I was gonna say, maybe that gear will be nice and come right off. Bummer. I can't take it seriously. It's not like he didn't remove that like 30 seconds ago and I told him to put it back on for the video clip. And told him.
Struggle a little bit.
No, I said give me some
I wouldn't do this left-handed.
Well, there's your front main seal. Is it leak? Yeah, is it wet down there? I can't tell.
No, I think that's just because the coolant dripped on it.
Oh, it'd be like, I mean like wet from oil.
Yeah, take that out.
Yeah, that's the seal that has to come out. Okay, so like 3 days ago I announced I was having a car meet at ACH. It's gonna be raining, so change of plans. I'm putting the flyer on Instagram right now. It's actually gonna be in Malibu at the top of Stunt Road. The exact location is called Lois Ewan Overlook. You see, we're over there. I scared him in the Evo and on this road like 3 days ago as well. But yeah, I will put this on Instagram if you guys want to check it out. I'll also put a link to the Google Maps with the coordinates in the description, so you can check that out as well. But yeah, it's no longer at Angeles Crest Highway, so hopefully you guys see this either on YouTube or on Instagram.
I don't think he's too happy about that.
Alright, you got the front of your engine back together. Are you ready to finish it up?
Yeah.
You got to do the timing belt though. You got to make sure you count everything correctly.
Okay.
Got the tensioners on, the cam gear's back on, all the seals have been replaced. You got a brand new water pump underneath, new tensioners. Everything's actually been going pretty smoothly so far. Nothing like took an abnormal amount of time to do. Except for your broken sway bar bracket.
Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that.
Oh, you did break a vacuum line too. It cracked pulling it off. Alright, so I'm an idiot for not filming this, but we had the belt on the car and we double checked the timing. Everything was good. And I started looking around at it and I grabbed my knife and I slashed the belt. Because we had done all the timing marks and all the installation or reinstallation with the old belt. Like I was looking at it, spinning it on the engine. I was like, why are the logos so dirty? So here we are, making another one, or doing
so
everything all
count
over.
these teeth with you talking.
We had a good practice run.
This is right.
Oh man. We literally had everything good to go. We had already checked top dead center and the timing, all the marks on both pulleys, and then the timing gear on the bottom. Everything was super good, and then, damn it was the old belt. We fucked up. Did you turn it off or did it die?
I turned it off.
Okay, so yeah, everything's good.
All right. This sounds good.
Yeah.
So new valve cover gasket.
Yeah, take the valve cover back off. Put the cooling stuff back in, and then should be good. How would you rate this experience?
It's been a long day. My
Yeah.
back hurts. I want to eat. I can't drive anywhere. I'm stuck here.
Yeah, we've been here for over 9 hours. We're actually gonna call it a night now and work on it again tomorrow, I guess.
The car starts.
Yeah, well, I got that on
Just
video.
need to, yeah, button it up.
Yeah, it's just cool and stuff. Figuring out what freaking goes to that. We don't remember. We're gonna have to watch a video online to figure out what goes there. Ah.
Good times. This sort of reminds me of your Subaru being here for days, weeks, and that's just out here.
Woo! Your STI is gonna be here too when you got one.
Oh, no. It's gonna work.
Yeah, because you're getting an Evo, so it will work.
I might just get a Civic.
Okay, you get a Civic Si. A new one. Turbocharged.
I meant like a very old one.
No.
Like your first car. Let's just go with that.
No. Okay. Well. How does it feel putting an STI specific coolant hose on your Miata?
Am I supposed to feel honored or something?
Yeah.
Like an STI is better
Yes.
or something?
Yeah. I had all these hoses laying around from my STI that I used to have, and I feel like you cut it too short because you weren't paying attention.
No.
Oh.
You're not paying attention. I take it these are gonna be impossible to get off because I had duct tape on it to get here.
You did cut it too short.
No, I didn't.
Oh, you're good.
Jeez, they're wearing so much. Good as new. It's perfect.
Yeah.
Thanks.
The car survived the 9-mile drive here.
Yeah.
Any leaks? Is the idle okay?
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.
Does it feel like any loss of power, or does it feel normal?
Feels normal.
Okay.
Yeah. In front of people. Show them what you can do. Come on.
I was gonna do it from the end.
He's looking at you.
It's just stupid.
Is that fun?
Yeah.